How to repost on Instagram. So this will show you how to repost reels and photos on Instagram. So first of all, you will need to update your Instagram app to receive the new update that's going to allow you to do this. So on Android or iOS devices like iPhone or iPad, click update on the App Store or the Google Play Store. Next, you'll see, once you load up the app, you'll see a little icon where it has two arrows, one upwards arrow to the right, one downwards arrow to the left. That little repost sign there. You want to go ahead and click on that icon. Once you've done that, you can repost it. You can also leave a comment on the repost. You could do that on photos like I've done there, those pictures, or if you're scrolling on Reels, you'll be able to see the exact same icon there, that little arrow icon up and to the right and up and to the left. Once you've done it, you'll see a tick in the middle that's showing that you've reposted it. If you want to remove those reels that you've reposted or pictures that you've reposted, you can go in to the settings like so, go to activity repost, then you can go ahead and individually click ones you want to delete and remove the repost from, and you can also select all of them, then you can go ahead and delete them as you wish. Leave a like on the video if it helped, subscribe for more helpful videos.